Welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. I'm your host, Joan Cabarrus. We're gonna be sculpting dogs with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hello everyone, welcome back! Today I'm gonna show you how I sculpt another dog. My art studio is all by myself today. All the dogs are outside today in the field and they're all playing out there, so they all know today is no visitation day. I've been waiting for this moment so I can sing from the top of my lungs because I'm the singing sculptor. Yes! Today's episode is Hungarian Puli. At first I was afraid.
Can you hear that?
Petrified.
She's singing again.
Yeah, I can hear that.
You know, sometimes I think she's crazy.
Haha, I did see her sleepwalking, and she says some crazy things.
A little bit dangerous.
What crazy things? Don't tell me she's wearing that mop again.
Let's get physical, physical. I wanna get physical. Let's get into physical. Let me hear your body talk. Your body talk. Let me hear your body.
Haha, that's exactly what she's doing right now.
Oh my gosh, she really is crazy. Well, at least she sings decent.
Yeah, she makes this place fun for us. I better go up there now, though.
Don't tell her we talked, okay?
Yeah, I won't.
Somebody's going up the stairs! I told everybody no visitation today! Puli? You're not supposed to be here today!
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought it was my turn. Well, I like your new hairstyle.
Oh, you like it? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, but it's a lot of work.
And it's multi-purpose too. I can clean the table with it.
But it's worth it.
It's kind of perfect timing for you to be here. Come on, let's show them how to create a Hungarian Puli.
That sounds great.
Preparation. Gray yarn, toothpicks, polymer clay, and a tool with a rounded tip. Russian baby oil. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake Books, and the Hungarian Puli's tutorial will be found in Doggo Bake 3. Form all the body shapes of the dog. Creating holes on the sculpture is important for the placement of the yarn. Once you put all the body parts together, now it's time to bake it. Never bake the yarn. It could burn in the oven. We don't need to detail the surface of the clay too much because it will be covered with yarn all throughout the body. The only part that will not be covered is the face. So there you go. We are going to bake it now. There's the Hungarian Puli inside without the yarn yet. And we are going to bake it between 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. It has to be on the bake and 30 minutes. While the sculpture is baking, I'd like to ask you some questions. Does any one of you owns a Hungarian Puli? If yes, feel free to share us how you groom this kind of dog. Type it up in the comments section. I would love to see what you can share with us. That's it. I'm just curious. The easiest way to trim the Hungarian Puli's fur is to lay it on the table so that you can see the length of the fur. See? What do you think? Like I said from my previous videos, this type of scissors works well when you trim or groom the yarn because you can cut precisely with this. And that's it. We are done. Always remember, do not bake the yarn. Before I forget, happy belated Valentine's Day to all of you out there. If you are a bit too late on finding a gift or thinking of a gift for your loved one, try all of these tutorials and see if you and your loved ones will enjoy it at home. That feels good. Back to my own hair. Don't forget to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn how to sculpt a lot of dog breeds. Subscribe, like, share, and do whatever you can to help spread the word of the Doggo Bake Show. See you again next Friday for another dog.
Rifa!